Hello, guys, and welcome to today's Amazon KDP guide. If you're contemplating creating your first book or you've already created some books and you're probably wondering how to get your books in front of readers, well, here's the thing. Social media is where your readers are. It's not just a place to share cat memes or argue about politics, sports, or even movies. It's also a goldmine for book promotion. So today, I'm going to break it all down on how to use social media to market your book, connect with readers, and maybe even turn your book into a bestseller. We will be discussing real strategies, no fluffs. So let's start with a simple question. Why should authors even bother with social media? Isn't writing the book the hardest part? Well, yes, that's the truth. But here's the reality. A book doesn't sell itself. Social media is powerful for the following reasons. It is free. You can actually promote your book without spending a dime. It is also global. So whether you're in New York or in Nairobi, you can actually reach readers anywhere. It is also interactive. You're not just shouting to the void. You can actually talk to your readers. It is also viral. One good post and boom, your book is in front of thousands of people. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about the platform you can actually use. Not all social media platforms are the same, and that's a good thing. Each one has its strength. So let's go through the big ones and figure out what's best for your book. Starting with Instagram, think of Instagram as your digital book gallery. Instagram is best for beautiful book covers, behind the scenes writing snaps, and short videos. And in Instagram, your audience are mainly millennials and Gen Z. So you might be wondering what to post. You can snap a picture of your book. You can share your favorite quotes from the book. You can also use stories to show your writing process or answer your readers' questions. The next social media platform is Twitter, which is also known as X. Twitter or X is where most writers and readers hang out, and it is best for quick updates, witty banters, and building a community. Your audience will be mostly authors, readers, and industry professionals. TikTok is the next social media platform to effectively utilize. You've probably heard of hashtag BookTok. It's where your books go viral. If you're not on TikTok yet, this might convince you. TikTok is best for fun, creative videos about your book. Your audience will mostly be Gen Z, but everyone is now hopping on it. You might also be pondering on what to post on TikTok. You can actually post a video of your book with captions like 5 reasons you need to read this. The next platform is Facebook. Facebook might not feel as shiny and new, but it is still a powerful house, especially if your audience are a bit older. Facebook is best for building a loyal fan base. Your audience are readers of all ages, but especially Gen X and boomers. You can also post updates about your new book or your new releases. You can join Facebook groups like Book Club Favorites to network. You can also host a live book reading section or a QA section. All right, let's talk about your social media profile. Think of it as your virtual handshake. It is the first thing people see when they find you online. And here's what you need. You need a great profile picture. Use a professional headshot or your book cover. You'll also be needing an engaging bio. You will need a clickable link. Add a link to your book sales page or your website. And here are some content ideas on what to share. You can actually post teasers and excerpts, which can be a line or two from your book. Make it juicy. You can also ask questions. Questions actually spark engagement. You can also share your finished draft, your book cover, or when you hit 100 sales, and then celebrate with your followers. You also need to know that hashtag equals visibility. So if you use the right hashtags, your post can land in front of readers who are actually searching for your new books. So here is a few hashtags to get you started. The first one is hashtag book lovers, hashtag writing community, hashtag I'm reading, hashtag bookstagram, hashtag indie authors. So use a mix of popular hashtag and niche ones specific to your genre. And tools like hashtag Fi can actually help you find trending tags. Let's talk about influencers who can take your book and introduce it to their thousands or millions of followers. So here's how to connect with book influencers. Look for book influencers on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. Reach out to them by sending a friendly message like, "Hi, I love your content. I'm an indie author and I would love to send you a free copy of my book for an honest review." Be patient. Most influencers get tons of requests, so give them time. And here is also a bonus tip for you. Engage with their content before pitching. It shows you are genuinely interested in what they do. If you've also got a budget, running ads on social media can be a game changer. Start small and test what works. Facebook ads are super targeted and you can actually reach people who love reading your genre. Instagram ads are perfect for showcasing a stunning book cover. TikTok ads are great for reaching young readers. So set a clear goal. Do you want clicks, sales, or email signups? Then track your results and tweak as needed. Social media is a two-way street. Don't just post and disappear. Talk to your readers, reply to their comments, and thank people for sharing your book. Also create polls or quizzes to spark fun conversations. Building relationship equals to building loyal fans. So guys, there you have it. The ultimate guide to using social media to promote your book. It's not about being perfect or posting every single day. Rather, it's about being authentic, connecting with readers, and sharing your passion for your story. So what are you waiting for? Which platform are you going to start with? I would like you to let me know through the comment sections. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for hanging out with me today and happy promoting. Your readers are out there. You just need to reach out to them. See you next time.